discuss the last phase, that is Neolithic age. New means new. Okay. During this period, man started preparing new stone tools which were harder and stronger than the previous tools, and he became a skilled tool maker. He started polishing and grinding his tools and weapons. The people on Neolithic men starting growing grains like rice, wheat, etc. And these people believed in the life after the death. The dead were buried along with objects like beads, pots, tools, etc. Why they buried all these things? Because it was believed that they might need them in another life. Okay, now what was the greatest achievement during this period? Cultivation of crops and domestication of animal was the greatest achievement of this period. Okay, and he started leading a settled life. He invented the sickle for cutting crops and grains, grass, axe for cutting trees, and grinding stone to grind the grains. And he also learned the art of knitting and weaving. Okay, he is starting weaving clothes with the wool and jute. Okay, in the Mesolithic period, they used animal skin to protect themselves from cold and rain. But now they started weaving clothes with wool and jute. Okay, and the remarkable invention of Neolithic man was the invention of wheel. Okay, people use the wheel for making sledges and chariots. Okay, they also use the wheel for activity like spinning and pottery. Student, have you ever seen a potter? How does it make pots? The potter makes the pot on the rotating wheel. He keeps the clay on the rotating wheel and make the pots. Okay, these were the tools which they used. Okay, which they used. The man of Neolithic age was responsible for the developing the first pottery. Okay, because he made pots, dried and baked them. When they started baking the pots, okay, it gave luster, strength and durability. Okay, and they decorated the pots with carving, flowers, leaves, etc. They decorated their pots with uh, carving, flowers and leaves. Here you come across a new period that is known as Chalcolithic period. Chalco means copper. It is believed that the copper was the first metal discovered by the man. And metal age began when man started using copper tools in addition to the stone tools and the implement. So we can conclude that Neolithic period was a great step towards the development of civilization. Thank you.